Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. I'm Shana and today I'm sharing a wonderful spice mix called Kabsa Spice Mix. Now, kabsa is an Arabian rice dish that can be made with chicken, lamb or seafood, and this spice mix helps you prepare authentic, delicious kabsa. Apart from making the kabsa rice, this spice mix can be used for a variety of delicious dishes. I will be sharing some examples of recipes using the spice mix in the coming videos. I hope you'll try them out. They're really delicious, and if you love spice blends from across the world, I'm sure you'll love this one. So let's see how to make kabsa spice mix. And that's it. We have a wonderful aromatic kabsa spice mix, an authentic homemade recipe. You can store this once it's cooled down in glass airtight jars. It makes about 3/4 of a cup. So I will be sharing some great recipes that use this kabsa spice mix. I also have some kabsa Arabian rice dishes already on my channel if you'd like to check that out. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.